Hi, Jess O'Connor here with the Miller Realty Group. We're here today to take a walk through 1456 Finsbury Lane in Tega Cay. It is a gorgeous 1.5-story home. It's got 5 bedrooms, 4 of which are on the main floor. Just over 2,800 square feet, and it's located on a gorgeous cul-de-sac lot in the popular Lakeshore neighborhood of Tega Cay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen with you, and we're going to walk through a video of the home together, and I'll point out some features along the way. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me either in the comments or reach out to me directly. I can be reached at 704-900-9990. So with that, let's go ahead and I will see if I can share my screen here. There we go. And so you can see here, the home has a 2-car garage. It sits on a nice lot. I'm just going to turn that music down. See if I can turn it off. There we go. Walking up to the front door here, and inside the house, we've got the first thing that you notice when you walk in this home are the gorgeous ceilings. There are 11-foot ceilings in this home, and it really feels very grand. At the front of the home, you're greeted with 2 formal spaces. There's the formal dining room to the left and an office space to the right. But first, we're going to take a walk straight back into the home, into the great room. Here, there is a gas log fireplace and a ceiling fan overhead. Here's a shot from the back of the house looking in. And there's plenty of room at this bar here to pull up a couple of bar stools, I would think. The kitchen has a lot of cabinet space, a lot of counter space. There are granite countertops and a tile backsplash, stainless appliances, excuse me. And the refrigerator does convey with this one. So that one is coming with the house. Here's another view of the kitchen. You can see the kitchen sink there is on that peninsula. There's a nice little island in the center of the kitchen. And the dining area towards the back of the kitchen. Now we're going to take a spin, go back towards the front of the house. And as you see here, the door that you see on towards the right is a door into the laundry room. And you go through the laundry room into that 2-car garage. So we don't have the laundry room on video, but I will pull up a still picture of it when we're done walking through here, just so you can check it out. Now we're in this formal dining room, and it's really a great space. I'm going to rewind for just a second because I want to be sure to point out some of the architectural details here. Check out the crown molding at the top of the ceiling, and there is a tray ceiling in this dining room as well. And then there's all of this detail, the chair rail and all of the detail underneath that. It's a really very formal space. Great for entertaining. Now let's go take a look at that office. Again, we've got the crown moldings at the top, hardwood floors throughout the main living areas here in the home. And now we're in the master. The master bedroom has that tray ceiling again. We've got a ceiling fan. The bedrooms are carpeted in this home, so it's nice and soft underfoot when you're getting out of bed. And into the master bath, we've got a nice soaker tub there and a shower, separate shower, I should say. And now we're going down the hall to look in a couple of the secondary bedrooms. Again, there are 5 bedrooms in this house. There are also 4 full bathrooms in this house. And now we're going upstairs to this bonus space. So this is the 5th bedroom. It does have a closet and it does have a full bathroom in it. It's a very flexible space. It could be a guest suite, or it could be, you know, a playroom, or very, very flexible. So this is what makes the home 1.5 stories, because this one is you know, up above. It's above the garage. So here's the backyard. As I mentioned, the home sits on a cul-de-sac, and the backyard is very private. So it's 0.4 acres, and it's just all wooded back here. What a fun place to explore. So while we're looking out over the trees here, I'm just going to take a minute to talk about Tega Cay and the Lakeshore neighborhood. This home is in the popular Lakeshore neighborhood of Tega Cay. The home was built in 2005, and Lakeshore has trails. It has there's lots of sidewalks on the streets. There's no HOA in Lakeshore. There is an architectural review board, so they're in place just to make sure, you know, if you want to paint your home a different color, if you want to put up a fence, things like that, then you go through the architectural review board. But there is no HOA here. There is a community pool in Tega Cay. It costs about $300 a year for a family membership, and that is just a short golf cart ride away from this house. The pool also has a beach behind it with lake access there. There are a couple of other waterfront parks in Tega Cay. There's also a new inclusive playground in Tega Cay. And again, all of these things are just a short golf cart ride away. There's also a public golf course in Tega Cay. And in fact, the homes that are across the cul-de-sac from this one back up to that golf course. So it's almost in your backyard here. So yeah, again, really close. And the clubhouse is a great place to go meet friends, have a drink, have a nice dinner. So I think that's about it for the video. I did promise you a still shot of the laundry room, which I think is basically the only space that I have a picture of that we don't have a video of. And let's see if I can get out of, yeah, there we go. Okay. So hopefully you can still see my screen here. Here we go. So here's that laundry room. And again, this connects the kitchen into the garage. There's some nice cabinetry there. There's a good utility sink. It's a really, really functional space in the home. So that is about it for our video tour. As I said, feel free to ask me any questions in the comments or reach out to me directly. I'm happy to answer any questions you have about this home. You can find me at 704-900-9990 or Jess at carmensmiller.com. Thanks for watching.